Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, today we're going to look at the D96 and see what it's got. Let's get right into this. A little thirsty. Excuse me, a little bit thirsty there. Okay, this is made by DRC for 14 plus. This is in I don't know, somewhere in the $40 range, we'll say. You get 3 batteries with this. 3.7 volt 2000 milliamp hours and 7.4 watt hours. Pretty cool. You have the drone. It's a folding camera drone. You have the camera there. You can actually move that with the remote. It's motorized, just up and down, about 90 degrees. Front arms open first, then the back. You have a bottom camera. You have a light for landing, which you can turn on and off, and you also have 2 headlights. And no tail lights on this one. But something cool, it has obstacle avoidance on 3 sides. Already built into it without the top obstacle avoidance. So it's pretty cool. Set this off to the side. I said you get 3 batteries. Go ahead and plug one in. Tab down, plug it in until it snaps. And the button's also on the battery there, so you just long press that to turn it on. Get the transmitter. Okay, the left stick is take off or go up, down to land, or to lower the drone, descend, ascend. Infrared, so that's your obstacle avoidance to turn it on. Camera up, camera down, where your phone goes. Speeds, if you short press you can change the speeds. Long press to turn the lights on and off. Press that to take off. Press it again to take or to land. Over here you have headless mode. It looks like a generic return to home, which it just comes back at you, but you want to make sure you stop it before it hits you, because it'll just keep on going. This is 360 flips. Short press will be 360 flips. Then this joystick, either direction, it'll flip, so you can roll and flip and roll. Excuse me. Down here we have I'll have to look at that one. Anyway, over here on the right stick you have sideward flight to the right, sideward flight to the left, backward flight, forward flight. And I think that's about it on the controls, other than this one. I think the long press on this one here is how you adjust the trim, and then this one might even be the same thing, trim adjustment up and down, and this one's side to side, I believe. And that one I'm not sure. I'll look real fast. You get a booklet for the app, barcode to download the app, operating guide barcodes, manual, some battery warning cards, caution cards. Just beware that it's got props, they can hurt you. This is how you charge the batteries. You get the charging cable. It's a micro USB and then a USB. So let me show you. On the battery here somewhere, right there, this cable plugs in just like so, and then you plug this into your wall adapter, your computer, your car charging port, whatever you have. Okay, let's look real quick at what that button does. Okay, so short press is for correction, long press is emergency stop. Short press for correction, long press will make it drop out of the sky, shut the motors down. Okay. When you start this drone up, I'll show you, but we'll just power it on with this button here. Let it go through its little cycle, and then you turn on the drone with this button, or the transmitter with this button like that, and then you just slide the stick up and then back down. That's how you bind this one. Okay, and you also get extra props and prop guards and a screwdriver. Okay, so you put these batteries back in there, get this out of the way, keep moving forward. Hope you're doing well. Thanks for stopping by and watching my channel. I appreciate it. Appreciate all the support. If you haven't already, if you would, like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Okay, so there's your phone holder. I think I already showed you, but we'll get the phone in there once we get it powered up. Let's go ahead and power this drone on. There it is. I'll set it down on a flat level surface facing away from me. Or you, rather. Power on the remote or transmitter, whichever you prefer. Up all the way, then down all the way. Now we're down. The two are paired, so it's ready for operation. Now if you want to just start the motors, just simply push up on the joystick. If you want to stop the motors, just push down. And then you could also hit this button. It'll do an auto takeoff, and then hit it again and it'll land. Alright, let's go ahead and get the camera hooked up to the Wi-Fi app. So it's a Wi-Fi UAV, and you have to go into your phone's Wi-Fi. Just hit your Wi-Fi icon. Let's long press it. Turn your Wi-Fi on. I believe it's Flow. Yep, Flow 2B C20B. Just hit that. Wait for a notification, because it's going to ask you if you want to stay connected, because there's no internet. You're just connected to the drone's camera, and no internet's needed to operate the drone with the app. So there it is. Just hit that, hit it again, select yes, and now you're good. Then we can exit out of that, go back to the drone app, and then hit start, and you'll see what the drone's seeing. Looking at my computer. A little bit of latency there. Not terrible. Okay, so now let's in the app, we can switch the camera to the bottom camera. This does have a downward facing camera. Okay, enough of that. Okay, a little bit more about the app. You hit the 4 squares up at the top right corner, and you have zoom, you have the VR view, you can reverse the image, you can take snapshots or video, you can go from portrait to landscape, you can like here switches the camera, so we can go back to the forward camera, the forward facing camera. That's how you can do some like editing to your videos. That's how you go to your gallery, check your pictures and your video that you've taken. So let's just take a snapshot there, and a little bit of video. Pretty cool sound effects. Go and stop the video, same way. Then we can go to our gallery, and so we have one picture right there. And go to our video, and we've got one video. It stores it right to your phone. There is no SD card on this one, just Wi-Fi transmission. So keep it within range and you'll be good to go for taking pictures and video. I'm not sure the range, I haven't tested that part yet, but I will in the next video. else? I think that's about it on this app. Or well, you can control it with the phone, I suppose, by hitting the airplane. I don't ever use that. Transmitter has way better controllability and range. But anyway, I'm gonna set my phone off to the side now. So I'm done with that. And let's see. Let me show you. Camera moves up and down. With your top buttons there. There's down, and this one's up. Hope you guys can see that okay. We'll go over the controls one more time. This is up to take off, down to land, left spin, right spin, left sideward flight, right sideward flight, forward flight, and backward flight. 360 flips. So you just press that, a short press, and then use this control to flip it whichever direction. Long press is a return to home, which is generic. It'll just fly back towards you or toward the remote. This that says IR, that's obstacle avoidance. Speeds, short press to change the speed setting. Long press to turn the lights off and on. I'll show you that. There's also a light on the bottom. Very cool. Okay, see how many speeds it has. There's 1, 2, 3. It has 3 speeds. Alright. Up to start the motors, down to shut them off. Okay. I'm going to do a brief flight inside here just to give you an idea how it flies. Alright, just give me 1 second. I'll go do that. We're just going to press up and then up again to take off.